Hello everyone, this is Harry from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get rid of the text cursor everywhere, or the text cursor is blinking when you're using a web browser. So what happens is, basically when you use a web browser, say Google Chrome, you have an option called use a text cursor to browse or like scroll. So just go to settings and go to accessibility, and here you can see navigate pages with a text cursor. So you can enable here manually by this, or you can use the F7 option. Just turn off and on this setting, and then you might solve the issue, or else just reinstall your web browser.
Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this every day. And if you have any comments, you can put your queries down in the comments, we'll reply to you. For more tips and tricks like this, visit gossipfunda.com, and you can also visit us on social media like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Check out the link in the description and you can visit the website. Thank you.
I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to